A very good evening to everyone present here. I am Karishma, your host. On behalf of Sam's Welfare Foundation and the entire team, welcome you all for today's knowledge session Decision Making Mastery. How to make smart choices for career and life at 5 p.m. Decision making mastery is a cornerstone of a successful and fulfilling career and life. It's not about having a crystal ball, but about developing a structured approach to navigate uncertainty and make choices that align with your values and goals. Let me introduce about our organization SAMS. SAMS Welfare Foundation, a registered non-profit organization, is dedicated to social impact across various sectors. We focus on education, particularly skill development and entrepreneurship. Through our initiative DG Saksham, we have created training programs in IT, finance, retail, and entrepreneurship, impacting over 6,000 individuals. We are currently upscaling inmates in Haryana jails and collaborating with universities and colleges. We have also partnered with bank to place over 1,500 candidates in jobs. In just a short time, Sam's Welfare Foundation established itself as a force for positive change, equipping individuals with skills for employment and promoting women's leadership in various industries. This session is collaboratively organized by Sam's Web Solutions. Sam's Web Solution is a dynamic and innovative enterprise dedicated to transforming the way businesses and individuals achieve their goals across staffing, scaling, advisory services and admission services. Founded with a vision to bridge the gap in talent, technology, and education, Sam's Web Solution is committed to delivering expectational value to our client through to integrate customized and forward thinking solutions. At Sam's Web Solution, we don't just deliver services, we create pathways to success. Join us in our journey to transform challenges into opportunities and vision into reality. Now let me introduce about the speaker. We are thrilled to welcome Ms. Hitesha Chaudhary today. Ms. Hitesha is dedicated to bridging the gap between education and industry and brings a wealth of experience in empowering students. As the former head of campus ambassador at AUCK, she led impactful skill building initiatives. Her expertise in communication, leadership, and personal growth is evident in her dynamic keynote addresses and workshops. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Hitesha Chaudhary.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, thank you, ma'am, Karishma, ma'am, for this warm welcome. Hello, everyone. Good evening. This is Hitesha Chaudhary. I am a public speaker, a career counselor, and a learner. This is my second seminar with SIMS organization, and apart from this, I have taken several seminars on motivational speaking and career counseling and a lot more. So my first seminar with SIMS organization was on personal growth and development, and here we are with the second one, which is decision making process. So before starting the seminar, let us connect first. Let us build a connection between us first. So can you all just give me a high five in chat? Hello everyone. Decision making. ये topic सुन के everyone might be thinking कि this should not be a topic, right? Decision is something we all make every day or maybe every second. हम लोग हर सेकंड एक डिसीजन ले रहे होते हैं. मे बी इट वुड बी अ डिसीजन ऑफ कमिंग टू दिस वेबिनार. इट वाज आल्सो अ डिसीजन. You took a decision कि हमें इस webinar में आना या नहीं आना. Then why a topic like decision making should be taken? Let me tell you something. We take 35,000 decisions in a day. An average person takes 35,000 decisions in a day, and there's nothing we're talking about it. Why is it important? What if I ask you to think the most important decision of your life that you took? Maybe it could be of your career, or about your relationships, or maybe about your jobs, anything. Or what if I tell you to think about a decision that was worst for your life? Again, it could be career or maybe any job or anything. So if we have a lot of decisions और हमारे हर decision से हमारी life में इतना फर्क पड़ता है, then why are we not taking this decision seriously? Again, a question to you. Think the moment you thought about your career or about your job or about anything which was important to you, was it your decision or did you took an influence? The problem is Every time we think about taking decisions, we take influence from the people. अगर हमें पढ़ाई करनी है, if it's about career, parents tell us ki take maths, take bio, or take arts, and that's what we do. If we have to choose a career, our parents, our elders, our masters tell us to take engineering or maybe MBBS or any other degree, and we do take that. That's what we do. But these are not our decisions, right? These are something जो हम पर लोग थोप दे. We come and influence with the people and we start taking our decisions on their basis. If you don't take decisions on your own, trust me, other people will take decisions for you. And that's where the problem begins. It's your life, you have to control them. But what we are doing, हम अपने डिसीजन किसी और को दे रहे हैं. हम अपनी लाइफ किसी और को दे देते हैं टू गवर्न, और फिर हम बोलते हैं कि लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स है, वी फेस प्रॉब्लम्स, वी फेस एंजाइटी, वी फेस डिप्रेशन. बट व्हाई? बिकॉज यू आर नॉट द वन हु इज टेकिंग द डिसीजन. योर फ्रेंड्स, योर फैमिली, योर relatives, they are the one who take your decision. So today, let's learn how to take your decision by yourself, and that's where we come with the topic decision making mastery with me, Hitesha Chaudhary. Now, why decision matters? Important question, right? हमारे लिए decision important है क्यों? We think decision making are the most simple thing we do. है कि हमने decision ले लिया, but we haven't taken any decision till now. Now, as I said, every day we make 35,000 decisions and some change our lives forever. हमारा छोटा सा decision हमारी पूरी life बदल सकता है. Now you might be thinking, how is it possible? It's just a simple decision. कुछ भी हो सकता है वो. Like कुछ भी. Then how can it change our whole life? Let me give you an example. Let's take two people. Let's name them maybe Ram and Sham, or Rohit and Ayush. Let's take Rohit and Ayush. Both of them are doing jobs. Rohit is also working in a 9 to 5 job, and Aditya, let's take Aditya. He's also working for a 9 to 5 job. But what does Rohit do is, Rohit think of taking a decision. Rohit thinks of taking and making a change, and he quits the job. And on the other hand, Aditya is just continuing to do the job because he's afraid. वो डरा हुआ है कि if he leaves the job, then maybe he won't be successful, or maybe life will not give him what he is expecting. Now, after 5 years, the one who took the risk is building his own life his own way, and the other who was afraid of taking a decision is still struggling with that 9 to 5 job. And this is now going to continue for rest of their lives. This is the power of decision. एक इंसान जो सेम पोजीशन पे था, उसने अपना खुद का कुछ बिल्ड कर लिया, नाउ इज अर्निंग ऑन हिज ओन, एंड द अदर हु वाज नॉट एबल टू मेक अ डिसीजन is still struggling. Now, another thing, what is decision making? We have learned a lot now. अभी तक हमने examples देख लिए कि हम कैसे करते हैं, decision कैसे लेते हैं, but what is it? So, the process of choosing between alternatives to achieve the best outcome is called decision. Whenever we are standing in our life, when it's the situation of our life, every time you'll get two ways. And maybe both the ways can be good for you. Or maybe one way can be more challenging and other way can be easiest possible. Now it's your part to choose a way and go on that. And this process of choosing between the two alternatives, two ways that you have, is called decision making. Simple as that. So, if this is so easy, अगर हमें decision लेना इतना आसान है हमारे लिए, then why aren't we able to take any decision? And if you think you are able to take the decision, answer some questions to me. Why is a person who's not happy in his job continuing to doing the job? Why don't we do the work when we know that the work is important, but what we do is we procrastinate? हमें आलस ज्यादा पसंद है rather than achieving our success. क्यों? क्योंकि हम डिसीजन नहीं बना पा रहे. It was our decision to sit and do our important work to become a successful person, and it is also our decision to sleep in a room or to lay on your bed and reels scrolling do continuous of the day. Simple as that. So here, as we can see on the screen, we have a pyramid of decision making. Now, what does this pyramid say? As we can see, at the bottom, we have identify the problem. Before making any decision of your life, it's very important that you identify the problem. There are some common words that we use every day, like overthinking, anxiety, depression, और ये सब क्यों हो रही है हमें? Because we are not able to make any decision. हम decision ही नहीं बना पाते. कोई career की बात हो, if it's a, suppose it's a student of मे बी क्लास 12, उसके करियर की बात आई, ही इज फ्रॉम और शी इज फ्रॉम मैथ्स बैकग्राउंड, अब आगे जाके क्या करना है, इंजीनियरिंग। पर ये तो उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसे बोला, उसे तो शायद फैशन डिजाइनिंग करना है या उसे तो शायद एस्ट्रोनॉट बनना है, बट ही इज नॉट एबल टू टेल हिज पेरेंट्स कि उसे क्या करना है। तो उसने डिसीजन नहीं लिया खुद के लिए और वो बना एक इंजीनियर। बट वेन ही विल बी एट द एज ऑफ 80, तब अगर वो उसके बारे में सोचेगा ना कि शायद उस दिन डिसीजन ले लेना चाहिए था, देन देयर कम रिग्रेट, and regrets are the worst part of one's life. When we live a life from like birth to maybe 70, 80, 90 years, we struggle a lot. और अगर उतने struggles के बाद भी we have regrets in our life, then what's the sense of living? And I read somewhere कि हमारी आधी प्रॉब्लम्स तो तभी सॉल्व हो जाती है when we start writing them out. Whenever you face any kind of problem, just think about it, take a pen and start writing in a notebook. When you write that out in points and read that again, हमारी आधी प्रॉब्लम वही सॉल्व हो जाती है, क्योंकि we start thinking and we make decisions that okay, this was the problem, these are the consequences, and now I can solve it this way. Simple as that. So it's very important to identify your problem. What kind of problem are you facing? After that, gather information. Once you figure out your problem, start gathering information about it. Let's understand this with a simple story. मैं आपको अपनी ही स्टोरी बताती हूँ. I always wanted to be a public speaker, like since 4th grade. I was so desperate about becoming a public speaker that I won thousands of medals in it, in school, after school, in some caste programs, everywhere. I used to go everywhere for this public speaking and debates and speeches and whatnot. But then in class 10, when I asked to go for arts for becoming a public speaker, I was not able to do क्योंकि मैं decision नहीं ले पाई. I took my parents' decision as an influence again और मैंने maths ले लिया. I became a computer science engineer and I have a great career in it. But again, I was not satisfied with it. Because we do things which other people like. And when we do the things which other people like is what they makes them happy, not us. और जब तक हम कोई ऐसा काम नहीं करते जिससे हम खुश नहीं है, तब तक that's not a successful life at all. So what I did is, with computer science engineering, I started public speaking again on my own. That's where I took decision for myself. And what changed after that? Today, I'm a public speaker. I'm a successful public speaker. I have taken more than like 20 public speaking sessions, 15 to 20 profile building sessions, career counseling sessions, and whatnot. And today I'm here in front of you all taking a session again. This was the power of my decision that took me from an engineer to a public speaker. A career that I love. I enjoy doing public speaking. This is how you build your career, right? And this is what decision making is, a process of choosing. Now, there are types of decisions. Isn't it weird about for you all? Types of decisions? Yes. There are types of decisions. Now, what are these type of decisions? Routine and strategic, intuitive versus rational, and personal and professional. What are routine decisions? आप सब जब सुबह उठे होंगे, many of you might have thought whether I should take bath today or not. Or maybe many of you have thought कि आज क्या पहना जाए, what to wear today? A pink shirt, a blue top, or maybe a frock, or anything. You all might have thought about it. And then you took a decision of wearing what you are wearing right now. And we do it regularly. Every time we come, we take bath. Again, we have the same question, what to wear today? And we take a decision. Or let's take the most common क्वेश्चन जो हमारी मम्मियां हमसे पूछती है, आज खाने में क्या बनाया जाए? अगेन अ डिसीजन, राइट? और मैक्सिमम लोगों का आंसर होता है कुछ भी बना लो. क्यों? क्योंकि हम डिसीजन नहीं ले पा रहे हैं. सो दिस इज अ रूटीन डिसीजन एग्जाम्पल. नाउ स्ट्रेटेजिक. इफ यू आर स्टक इन अ सिचुएशन जहां पे someone is telling you a lot wrong stuff, which is like not acceptable at all. At that point, you have to think strategically. Firstly, either you'll just shout on them, or secondly, you'll make a strategy, you'll listen to them, and then just move out of it. So this is where you start creating strategies for your decisions. What is good and what is wrong. Now, intuitive. हम सब कई बार ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कि दिल से ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है कि I should not do this task, or maybe this task should not be done today. For anything, maybe even if you are walking on a road and suddenly I have seen people saying कि यार gut feeling बोल रही है I should not take this path and go from the another path. What is this? These are intuitions. हम बोलते हैं हमको गट फीलिंग हो रही है कि हमें ये नहीं करना चाहिए, वी शुड डू समथिंग एल्स। हमने डिसीजन लिया ना, वी टुक अ डिसीजन, बट इट वाज अबाउट इंट्यूशंस, जिसमें हमने कोई स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं लगाई। नाउ रैशनल डिसीजंस, रैशनल डिसीजंस आर दोज डिसीजंस जो हम सोच समझ के ले, वी सिट वी डिसाइड कि ओके दिस इज पार्टी ए, दिस इज पार्टी बी, नाउ वी हैव टू डिसाइड which side is correct and which side is wrong, exactly like a judge do. Non-biased decisions are called rational decisions. And lastly, my favorite, personal and professional decisions. Let's take an example. As I told you my story, for me, a personal decision was doing public speaking, and a professional decision, as I am a public speaker, it was my professional decision to come here, sit in front of you all, and deliver a talk today. This is a professional decision. Or for the same foundation, it was their professional decisions to hire me for a seminar. This is how we define professional decisions. Now, हमने बहुत बातें कर ली, डिसीजन मेकिंग प्रोसेस, हाउ टू मेक दिस प्रोसेस, हाउ टू वर्क विद इट, again identify the problem, gather information, consider alternatives, evaluate consequences, and make a choice and action. Let's go on some personal things now. These are something which I've written, which you have heard a lot of times, maybe in your life with your parents, with your family, and many people. कई लोगों ने आपको ये बोला होगा कि यार डिसीजन ना ऐसे लेने चाहिए, कोई भी डिसीजन लेने से पहले ना 100 बार सोचना चाहिए। बट व्हाट्स द साइकोलॉजी ऑफ डिसीजंस? लेट्स गो डीपर इनटू इट कि व्हाट्स द साइकोलॉजी अबाउट डिसीजंस। हम डिसीजंस कैसे लेते हैं? इमोशनली। पेरेंट्स जब उन्हें अपने बच्चे को कहीं बाहर भेजना होता है पढ़ने के लिए, कई पेरेंट्स नहीं भेजते। क्यों? आई हैव हर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ मदर्स सेइंग दिस कि हम अपने बच्चे को खुद से दूर नहीं कर सकते हैं, वो होम सिक हो जाए। दिस इज अ इमोशनल डिसीजन। जबकि हम व्हेन वी सी ऑन अदर हैंड, that's the good thing for the student to go in different city and explore. जब वो बच्चा बाहर जाएगा, he'll meet thousands of people, he'll have his own social life, and then he'll start connecting with people. And that's how one make their own life. But what the parents did, they took an emotional decision. Now logical decision. Logical decision ये होता कि उसके parents उसे छोड़ देते to go, explore, learn, and बी द पर्सन ही वॉन्ट टू बी। एंड वी ह्यूमन बीइंग हम हमेशा कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं इमोशनल वर्सेस लॉजिकल डिसीजंस में। अब अगर यही बात मैं किसी पेरेंट को जाके बोलूंगी कि आपको अपने बच्चे को छोड़ देना चाहिए, तो आई गेट टू हियर कि अरे बच्चा बिगड़ जाएगा, और मे बी अरे इनमें तो दिल ही नहीं है, हमारे बच्चे को हमसे दूर करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं, हम पेरेंट्स हैं, हम ऐसा कैसे कर सकते। बट दैट माय फ्रेंड्स, अ सिंगल डिसीजन कैन चेंज दैट स्टूडेंट्स लाइफ। डिसीजन मेकिंग इज अ लाइफ चेंजिंग एस्पेक्ट, एज आई टोल्ड यू सिंस द फर्स्ट स्लाइड। तब भी हम क्यों नहीं ले पा रहे इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजंस? नाउ हमने इतनी सारी बातें कर ली, फिर दिक्कत क्या है? हर कोई बनेगा सक्सेसफुल, राइट? एवरीवन कैन टेक देयर ओन डिसीजंस, सबको हक है अपना डिसीजन लेने की। एवरीवन कैन बी अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन, देन व्हाई एंड एवरीवन इज? The fear of failure in the lives of everyone sitting here, or maybe everyone in the world, is the one fear that keeps you going down and down and down, and that's the fear of failure. हमें डर लगता है ना हारने से, गिरने से, fear of falling, fear of not getting what we are going for. But what if we try and what if we become successful? तब तो हमें कोई नहीं बोलेगा कि this was your fear or anxiety. But my friend, the point is that we are not able, we are not capable enough that we break our fears of falling, of failing, and start achieving what we deserve. The moment, the exact moment जब हम ये सोचने लग जाए कि क्या होगा ज्यादा से ज्यादा, फेल हो जाएंगे, राइट? क्या होगा फेल होने से? It's not the end of life, no, we have the whole life, and life is about continuously struggling and facing your circumstances and becoming a great person. So why not give it a try? हम लोग ये कभी सोचते ही नहीं, तो क्यों सोचेंगे? हमें तो सब स्पून फीड हो रहा है ना बचपन से। The society in which we live has taught us very nicely that it is fair to do make your life. जब तक हम गलती नहीं करेंगे तब तक हम सीखेंगे कैसे, और जब तक हम सीखेंगे नहीं तब तक हम बढ़ेंगे कैसे? So doing mistakes is always a right. Now what are the common pitfalls and biases जहाँ हम सब फेल हो जाते हैं? Overthink, as I told you earlier, हम जितना चीजों को एनालाइज करते हैं हम उतना चीजों में पैरालाइज हो जाते हैं। Now how is analyzing and paralysis connected to each other? जब भी हमें कोई डिसीजन लेना होता है हम उसे इतना एनालाइज करते हैं, इतना ओवरथिंक करते हैं, रात रात भर बैठ के सोच रहे होते हैं। मैंने कई लोगों को बोलते हुए देखा है कि यार मुझे तो ये प्रॉब्लम हो गया एंड आई वाज स्ट्रगलिंग दी होल नाइट, मैं पूरी रात सोई नहीं। क्यों? इट्स जस्ट अ प्रॉब्लम, राइट? इट्स जस्ट अ डिसीजन, ईदर दिस और दैट। तो उसमें रात भर जागना क्यों था? एंड द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अ लॉट, जब आप इतना सोचने लग जाते हैं तो फिर पैरालिसिस तो होगा ना। हमने हमारे ब्रेन को इतना कंफ्यूज कर दिया कि नाउ इट्स नॉट एबल टू डिसाइड व्हाट्स राइट फॉर अस। सो स्टॉप ओवर थिंकिंग, इट्स ओके। Life will give you lemons a lot of times, but don't just squeeze it and drink the lemonade. Instead, collect its seeds and go and plant them. You'll get a full garden of lemons और फिर आप उसको लाइफ टाइम ले सकते हो। सो नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी आपको कोई बोले ना कि when life gives you lemons, just squeeze it and drink, tell them I'll not just squeeze it and drink, I'll take its seeds and apply them in a garden, and then I'll get a whole lemon garden and enjoy that. Second, emotional decisions. As I told you, हम emotions में इतने बंध गए हैं that we have stopped exploring. A student who's 20 years old, वो आज बस ये सोच रहा है कि मुझे कैसे अपना करियर बनाना है, मुझे कैसे अपनी डिग्री कंप्लीट करना है और कैसे एक अच्छा लाइफ अचीव करना है। बट वाई? ये सब तो उन्हें सोचना चाहिए ना, वो आर मैरिड, because they don't have a choice now. They have a wife or a husband to take care of, and also they have children. उनके पास कोई choices नहीं है। But a person who's like 18, 90 or 20, उन्हें तो freedom देनी चाहिए ना कि it's your decision. If you want to go and explore, just go. Just roam in the world, explore the world and make your own decisions. And that's the reason जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं ना generational gap. There's nothing like generational gap. It's you who are not letting them make their own decisions. Why? क्योंकि हम डरते हैं, हम इमोशनल हो जाते हैं। Now again, confirmation biasness. हमें ना हमेशा एक सपोर्ट चाहिए होता है whenever we face any kind of problem. For example, अगर हमें कोई जॉब छोड़नी है या मे बी कोई जॉब ज्वाइन ज्वाइन करना, हम क्या करते हैं, हम ना हमसे आगे वालों को फोन करते हैं, मे बी आर रिलेटिव्स और मे बी आर फ्रेंड्स हु आर डूइंग मोर देन अस, और हम उनसे ना खुद को कंफर्म करवाते हैं चीजें, दैट आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ डूइंग दिस, टेल मी वेदर दिस इज राइट और रॉन्ग। व्हाई विल दे टेल यू वेदर दैट इज राइट और रॉन्ग? इट्स योर लाइफ, you have to decide for it. Why do we everyone take help from everyone else? हमें खुद के अलावा सब पर भरोसा है। अगर अभी मैं आप में से किसी को बोल दूं कि टेक अ डिसीजन whether you would like to do this or that, many of them will feel like wait, I'll wait for another person to answer and then I'll answer. Why? Because we are not able to make our own decisions. हमको डर लगता है कि हमारा डिसीजन गलत हुआ तो हमें एक सपोर्ट चाहिए, एक कंफर्मेशन चाहिए पहले। क्यों? You have led a lot of years of your life now. You have a lot of experience about your life. और आज भी अगर हमें किसी दूसरे के कंफर्मेशन के लिए वेट करना है, then it's not your life. आप खुद की नहीं, आप किसी और से खुद की लाइफ जीने को बोल रहे हैं। इवन अगर हम किसी के साथ कहीं बाहर गए हैं तो हम उनके ऊपर छोड़ते हैं कि हम कॉफी पियेंगे या चाय पिए। क्यों? We ask the other person to order for us. Why? Don't you have your own choices? What if you like मटर पनीर and they order something else? फिर आप उस टाइम तो वो खा लोगे लेकिन बाद में बोलोगे अरे मुझे तो मटर पनीर खाना था। Exactly, that's it, what is it is regret. And I'm not talking about food here, I'm talking about your life. ऐसे ही होगा जब लाइफ में आपको पनीर चाहिए होगा, कोई और आपके लिए कुछ और ऑर्डर कर देगा, और फिर जब आप 80 साल के हो जाओगे then you'll regret that I should have told them कि I want to eat paneer. You want to make your own choice. So from today, stop making others your leader and be your own leader. You decide what you like. आपको पता है कि आपको क्या चाहिए, उन्हें कैसे पता होगा आपको क्या चाहिए? आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल सेइंग कि अरे यार मैंने तो ना अपनी लाइफ पूरी उनको दे दी है, दे विल डिसाइड अबाउट मी। इवन फॉर द पेरेंट्स, माय पेरेंट्स विल डिसाइड एवरीथिंग अबाउट मी। व्हाई? दे हैव देयर ओन प्रॉब्लम्स माय फ्रेंड, दे हैव देयर ओन लाइफ टू लिव। व्हाई विल दे लिव योर लाइफ फॉर यू? You start living for yourself and make decision for yourself, for building your life. Or in some way, the most important word is you. Why don't you prioritize you, yourself? Every time when you have to make any tough decision, stand in front of mirror and just say, I, me, myself, I will be responsible for whatever I'm taking today. And lastly, peer pressure. 10th के बाद जब हमको मैथ्स, साइंस, आर्ट्स लेना होता था तो हम पे peer pressure आ जाता था पेरेंट्स का, राइट? नहीं नहीं, मैथ्स लो, इंजीनियर बनना है, देयर इज नो फ्यूचर इन बायोलॉजी, और मे बी बायो लो, डॉक्टर बनना है, इंजीनियर तो हर जगह घूम रहे हैं। peer pressure आ गया, एंड देन भी से कि अरे मुझे ना फोर्स कर दिया था पेरेंट्स ने That's why I was not able to give my best in my life. Why? Don't you have your mouth? Can't you speak? Every time when you start having regrets about yourself or about your life, or you have to take any decision which you're not able to take, ask yourself why. Why, which means क्यों in Hindi. क्यों नहीं ले पा रहे हम खुद के decision? And start getting answer for it. Time लगेगा. Maybe you'll have to take like maybe 5 minutes, maybe an hour, maybe one day, or maybe a month. But that's okay. At least you will be responsible for your life, not anyone else. जब आप खुद के decisions ले रहे होंगे तब आप अपनी life बना रहे हो. Moving ahead, we have some decision making models. Now, what is this decision making models? These are some techniques which usually people use to make their life better and to take some good decisions. People take advisors for this. I have seen a lot of people जिनके पास financial advisors होते हैं because what they say is we are not able to manage our finances क्योंकि we don't know how to take decisions, whether we have to invest our money in some online investment application or maybe we have to invest it in bank or anything else. तो हमने क्या किया, हमने फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर रख लिया. पीपल इवन डू टेक लाइफ एडवाइजर्स. क्यों? What that advisors do is they work on the simple techniques that you can see on the screen and work with that. First is SWOT analysis. Now, what is SWOT analysis? S here stands for strength, W is for weakness, O is for opportunities, and T is for threats. SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. What are this? Let's take an example. Let's take an example of Elon Musk. I guess all of you might know about Elon Musk. Who's he? Elon Musk is the richest person, one of the top richest person, maybe like in top 10%. What did he do? He was not able to build his own company. उन्हें खुद की कंपनी से निकाल दिया गया था. But फिर what did he do? He sat and he thought about the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. कि अगर हम कोई चीज कर रहे हैं तो उसकी क्या strengths है, क्या weaknesses है, क्या opportunities है और क्या threats है. Strengths are the positive sides of any problem. अगर हमारी लाइफ में कोई भी problem है, for example, you're living in a city for like 15 years, you have a job, a perfect job for your life. You're working there and everything is beautiful as your dream life. But wait, suddenly you have to leave that company, or maybe your boss just said that don't come from today. What will you do now? बैठ जाएंगे घर पे and will think कि अरे इतना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया, it's such a big problem, I don't have a job now, I don't have a life now how will I survive? Who will take care of my children, or maybe who will take care of my parents? What will you do at that time? Maximum of the people in such conditions, what they do is they sit and regret, और वो पूरा blame डाल देते हैं हमारी situation पे कि this is what God planned for us. But God has always planned the best for you. It's you who have to figure out the two ways, वो जो दो रास्ते हैं that God has given to you, either this or that. Now it's your chance to decide that on which path do you want to go. एक path वो होगा where you can just make regrets that now I don't have anything, I have to sit at my place, I don't have a job, it's over. And the other option, the other way is telling you that you can move to another city, no? Or maybe you can apply at different jobs. If you have a good experience, if you have a good skill, then definitely you'll get a better job after some time. So when we face this kind of problems, we use SWOT analysis. जब हमारे पास ऐसी प्रॉब्लम आई, हमने strengths देखी कि okay, अगर if I move to a different city, then what are the strengths? Maybe I can get a better package, maybe the community would be better, maybe the people living there would be more helpful, or maybe that would be good for your career. फिर हमने weaknesses देख ली कि वहां जाएंगे तो हमें पूरा shift करना पड़ेगा, or maybe the community might not be that good, or anything else. So we wrote the strengths, we wrote the weaknesses. Now opportunities. We'll write the opportunities that we are getting there. If we move to another city, there are a lot of opportunities that we might get. We might get to socialize. Socializing is the most important thing in today's world. How? Social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and a lot more. जहाँ पे we just sit in a room, we have our mobile phones with us, and what we do is we socialize. We talk to different kind of people, we engage with them, and a lot of people now play games with a lot of people that they don't know. जब हम इतना कर सकते हैं, so socializing is a very important aspect expect today?
तो दीदी दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए फिर किसी को पास।
So socialize first. ये हमारी अपॉर्चुनिटी होगी. Maybe you'll get a bigger post than what we had yesterday. हो सकता है पिछली जॉब में आप बस एक एम्प्लॉय हो और इस जॉब में you're going to be the manager. So there are always opportunities. Write down those opportunities. And last, threats. This sound a bit creepy. Threats से हम सबको डर लगता है कि अरे what if something wrong happens? What if हमें वहां घर नहीं मिला? What if something bad happens there? Then what? Or maybe if you moved there and something bad happened to your family. So when we write all of these one by one, strength, weakness, opportunities and threats, we can easily figure out what to do. जब हमने एक प्रॉब्लम के इतने सारे एस्पेक्ट फिगर आउट कर लिए हैं, then it's not a big deal to think about them and make a decision. और अगर इसके अलावा हम डिसीजन लेते, डेफिनेटली पहले तो हम 2 दिन रोते बैठ के कि अरे हमारे साथ ऐसा हो गया, दिस वाज सच बैड. एंड व्हाट वी डू इज, द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट thing that we do is we start sharing it with our friends and relatives. हमसे जो भी मिलने आता है ना उस ड्यूरेशन में, what we do is don't ask me anything, I have a lot of problems going on, I have a lot of problems going on. We say this to every next person. What will they do about listening your problems? अब क्या करेंगे उन्हें अपनी problems? Even they'll just go after listening your problems, and the very next moment when they'll meet with someone else, they'll tell them, you know what, the person is facing this kind of problems. And here you are, you made your own clone. हम खुद हंसी का पात्र बनने जाते हैं दूसरों के पास when we go and discuss our problems with them. So from today, stop discussing your problems with everyone. It's not cool to look a person with a lot of problems, but it's definitely cool to look a successful person with all your problems with. हम हमेशा ये बोलते हैं ना कि that person looks very engaging, or that person looks very smart, he takes his own decisions, he have a house and everything. Why? Because they take their decisions by their self. वो नहीं जाते लोगों के पास कि यार I have a lot of problems and I am facing this and that and I don't have any solution. How can you not have any solution? Every problem have a solution. It's just you who have to figure out कि ठीक है अगर ये problem है, okay, we'll get a solution. Simple as that. Now next, Eisenhower matrix. अजीब सा नाम है Eisenhower matrix. क्या है? Eisenhower matrix is a very simple funda to make your decisions better. Now how do you do that? Signify your problems or signify your tasks and उसमें से सेपरेट करना सीख. What are your urgent tasks and what are your important tasks? Urgent, important, अजीब सा साउंड कर रहा है नहीं? Urgent tasks are those करना जरूरी होता है. For example, for me, at 5 p.m. it was urgent for me to join this meeting. क्योंकि अगर मैं मीटिंग ज्वाइन नहीं करती तो we were not being able to talk right now. Or maybe if I had to go hospital at 5 p.m. today, so that's an important task for me, but that's not urgent. अगर मेरे पास एक प्रॉब्लम आ गया all of a sudden कि at 5 p.m. I have an appointment with my doctor and exactly at 5 p.m. I have to join this meeting. Now what will I do? I have to make a decision, right? Either I can go to the hospital or else I can attend the meeting. Now I'll sit and figure out which task is urgent and which is important. And the urgent one was this meeting, and important was the doctor. Was health first. No excuses for health. So what I did is I'm attending the meeting right now. And at 6, I'll go to the doctor. I talk to him that, sir, I'm not able to come there at 5, so I'll come at 6. Simple as that. So it's not such a big deal. जितना हम बड़ा बना देते हैं, it's not that big. It's us who make it. Just separate things from urgent to important, and that's all. Now the most important. हमने सब सीख लिया डिसीजन कैसे बनाता है, डिसीजन बनाना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है और क्या प्रोसेस होती है, एवरीथिंग. बट नाउ हाउ टू थिंक बिफोर मेकिंग डिसीजंस, इट्स ऑल्सो अ टफ टास्क. बिकॉज हम डिसीजन बनाने से पहले सोचते ही नहीं है. हमने अपने आसपास कई लोगों को बोलते हुए सुना है कि वो तो यार सोचता ही नहीं है डिसीजन बनाने से पहले, या वो तो बिल्कुल फास्ट डिसीजन बना ले. देयर्स नथिंग लाइक फास्ट डिसीजंस. ऑलवेज think before you make. हम जब भी सुबह उठते हैं, make a habit, take a diary and note all your tasks that you have to do in a day. जब हम लिखते हैं तब हम मेमोरी स्टोर कर रहे होते हैं. एंड वंस वी आर डन विथ राइटिंग दोस टास्क, प्रायोरिटाइज देम ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ आइजनहोवर मैट्रिक्स. जो अर्जेंट है उनको हम पहले रखेंगे और जो इंपॉर्टेंट है उन्हें हम बाद में रखेंगे. और जो अर्जेंट और इम्पोर्टेंट दोनों है वो तो ऑब्वियसली फर्स्ट होंगे। सिंपल, हमने हमारा पूरा दिन स्केड्यूल कर लिया, व्हाट्स अर्जेंट, व्हाट्स इम्पोर्टेंट, व्हाट्स नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, व्हाट्स जस्ट फॉर टाइम पास। कई लोगों के टाइम टेबल में रील स्क्रॉल करना भी होता है। आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल जिनके टाइम टेबल में लिखा होता है मुझे आधा घंटा इंस्टाग्राम चलाना है, एंड दैट्स ओके। आई नो इंस्टाग्राम इज इम्पोर्टेंट अगर आपको थोड़ा सोशलाइज होना पसंद है, बट अगेन इट्स नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट दैट इट्स अर्जेंट। अगर आपकी लाइफ में कुछ अर्जेंट आ जाएगा तो डेफिनेटली you'll prioritize it first. So yeah, and the last is thinking hats. Now what's this thinking hats? Everyone have different perspective. एक डॉक्टर के लिए ये अच्छा होगा कि लोग बीमार पड़े, और एक नॉर्मल इंसान के लिए ये अच्छा होगा कि हम कभी बीमार ना पड़े। डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स। एक डॉक्टर का डिसीजन होगा कि वो चाहता है कि वो लोगों को ट्रीट करे, बट वो ट्रीट तभी कर सकता है जब लोग बीमार होंगे। और वहीं एक नॉर्मल पर्सन ऑलवेज ही थिंक्स दैट फॉर गॉड आई एम नॉट एबल टू पे अ फीस टू डॉक्टर, सो मैं कभी बीमार ना पड़ूं। बट क्या करें, डॉक्टर हैज टू लिव हिज लाइवहुड एंड नॉर्मल पीपल आल्सो हैव टू लिव देयर लाइवहुड। सो फॉर बैलेंसिंग एवरीथिंग वी इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट टू लर्न डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स। कुछ लोगों के लिए एडुकेशन इज सक्सेस होता है, और कुछ लोगों के लिए सक्सेस इज हैप्पीनेस होता है, और कुछ लोगों के लिए होता है हैप्पीनेस इज नॉट एजुकेशन। कई लोग बोलते हैं ना कि खुशियां केवल पढ़ के और जॉब करके नहीं मिलती, वही कई लोग बोलते हैं कि खुशियां तो सक्सेस से मिलती है, और कई लोग बोलते हैं कि सक्सेस तो एजुकेशन से मिलती है। थिंक अबाउट इट वंस। इट्स वी ह्यूमन बीइंग्स जिसने हर चीज को इतना घुमा फिरा के कॉम्प्लेक्स करके एक डिब्बे में बंद कर दिया है। कुछ लोगों को जिनको पढ़ना नहीं पसंद है उन्होंने बोल दिया एजुकेशन इज नॉट एवरीथिंग, मनी कैन नॉट बाय हैप्पीनेस। वहीं जिनके पास पैसा है उन्होंने बोल दिया मनी कैन ओनली बाय द हैप्पीनेस। वही जिनके पास स्किल्स है, एजुकेशन के अलावा कुछ और है, उन लोगों ने बोल दिया कि अ पीस ऑफ पेपर कैन नॉट डिसाइड योर फ्यूचर। वहीं जिन लोगों ने एक पीस ऑफ पेपर से अपना फ्यूचर बनाया वो बोलते हैं नहीं, अ पीस ऑफ पेपर इज इम्पोर्टेंट। इट्स अबाउट पर्सपेक्टिव। हम हमेशा खुद के हिसाब से, खुद के ईज के हिसाब से चीजें छुपा लेते हैं, एंड दैट्स वेर वी से कि वी लिव इन अ सोशल वर्ल्ड जहाँ पे सबको सब कुछ आता है। हाँ, माना सबको सब कुछ आता है, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चॉइसेस। और इस वर्ल्ड में वी हैव टू मेक द चॉइसेस कि हमें क्या डिसीजन लेना है। हम उन लोगों में आते हैं जिन्हें एजुकेशन नहीं पसंद है, या हम वो लोगों में आते हैं जिनके पास स्किल्स है, या हम वो लोगों में आते हैं जिनके पास मनी है। मनी कांट बाय हैप्पीनेस। हाँ, जिनके पास मनी नहीं है वो लोग अपना दूसरा वे ढूंढ लेते हैं टू बाय हैप्पीनेस, बट वेयर सम पीपल से जहाँ मनी कैन बाय हैप्पीनेस, उनका ये है कि हमारे पास तो मनी है, वी कैन बाय। सो स्टार्ट फिगरिंग आउट, स्टार्ट एनालाइजिंग योरसेल्फ, डोंट प्ले अ रोल फॉर अदर पीपल। लोग बहुत खुश होते हैं ये बोल के कि अरे किसी की लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है ना तो वो हमारे पास आता है टू सॉल्व देम आउट। व्हाई? आपके पास खुद की लाइफ नहीं है टू सॉल्व। व्हाई आर यू विलिंग टू सॉल्व देयर प्रॉब्लम्स व्हेन यू हैव योर ओन लाइफ? यू हैव अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव, मे बी you'll have a different mindset, and that person is living some other life। शायद आपके पास पैसा है उसके पास नहीं है, then how can you figure out कि उसे क्या चाहिए? So from today take a decision on my say that start living for yourself and not for others। आप अपना लाइफ जियो and let them live theirs, simple as that। नाउ क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग एंड क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग दोनों बहुत अलग चीज है। क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग इज व्हेन वी हैव सम क्रिएशंस इन एवरीथिंग। अब सबके पास क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग नहीं होती, शायद किसी के पास है तो कोई किसी अच्छी फील्ड में जहाँ पे क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग की जरूरत है, एंड देयर आर सम पीपल जिनके पास नहीं है तो दे आर इन सम अदर फील्ड्स जहाँ पर क्रिएटिविटी की जरूरत नहीं है। एंड क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, कई लोग हैं जो क्रिएटिव नहीं है बट क्रिटिकल है। कोडिंग पसंद है जिन्हें, शायद वो क्रिएटिव नहीं है बट दे कैन कोड। और वहीं पर कुछ लोग हैं जो कोड नहीं कर सकते हैं बट दे कैन क्रिएट डिफरेंट इमेजेस एंड एआई which the coders can use in their websites and applications। It's totally a combination of creative people and critical people। हम किसी को भी कम नहीं बोल सकते। It's their decision and exactly it's your decision कि आपको creative होना है या critical हो। And it's okay to be a creative person or a critical person। Just be something, be what you are। That's what important is। Now some strategies। We have some strategies here। First, clear goals, which is very important। हम देखते हैं आजकल के स्टूडेंट्स और मे a fashion designer also, and the same student wants to become an Instagram influencer also, but how is it possible? It's not right। Either you can be a astronaut or a fashion designer or an Instagram influencer। So start figuring out, set a clear goal। Then second, थिंक लॉन्ग टर्म। डोंट थिंक कि आज मुझे ये करना है और कल मुझे इससे प्रॉफिट होगा इसलिए मैं आज कर लेता हूँ। थिंक will it matter in 5 years? अगर मैं आज एक घर खरीद रही हूँ and I'll decide to rent it, will it matter in 5 years? Yes, it will. But what if I take a decision जो आज तो मेरे बहुत काम का लग रहा है, but after 5 years I won't get anything from it, then it's a waste. So think long term before making your decisions. Now limit options. As we talked earlier, हम ओवर थिंक करते हैं चीजों को. हमारे पास हमको ना सारे ऑप्शंस चाहिए. इफ यू आर ईटिंग पानी पूरी, देर आर स्टॉल्स ऑफ पानी पूरी जिनके पास डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फ्लेवर्स होते हैं. एंड व्हाट वी वांट इज, हम उनको बोलते हैं भैया एक एक ना सारा दे दो, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट एबल टू डिसाइड. हमें समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है कि हमारे लिए ये क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो लिमिट योर ऑप्शंस. इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग टू एवरीथिंग, go to a single thing and master it. And once you are done with that single thing, एक बार आपने जब उसको master कर लिया, then start exploring for different things. Trust yourself, जो कोई नहीं करता. As we talked earlier, we want some support system at our back. और पता है, people like enjoy this thing. When someone gets successful or someone achieves something, they like to give the credits to other. Ki, thanks to this person, they supported me so that I became this today. Why? Trust yourself. You are the one who have seen yourself since the birth to the age you are right now. No one knows you better than yourself. I've seen people saying that person know me better than myself. How is it possible? It's you who know everything about you. It's just that you don't want to accept that you know everything about you. So from today, trust yourself. If you feel like not buying a pink dress and buying a red dress, then go for the red dress. The person is no one to tell you to go for a pink dress. And lastly, learn from past decisions. गलतियां सब करते हैं, मैं भी करती हूँ, आप भी करते हो, और शायद एनिमल्स भी करते. बट व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एनिमल्स एंड ह्यूमंस? Animals cannot learn from their mistakes, whereas humans can learn. So the next time, whenever you make a mistake, learn from that mistake. And here we are with our conclusions and key takeaways, that good decisions come from experience and experience come from bad decisions. As I told you, don't fear about failing. It's okay to fail. कुछ बैड एक्सपीरियंसेस आएंगे हमारी लाइफ में, और बैड एक्सपीरियंस से ही हमको एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा. जो इंसान यूपीएससी के लिए पढ़ाता है वो वही इंसान है जो यूपीएससी क्लियर नहीं कर पाया, बट फिर भी वो बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं और वो बच्चे यूपीएससी क्लियर कर रहे हैं. कैसे? बिकॉज देयर बैड एक्सपीरियंस कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू गुड एक्सपीरियंसेस फॉर देयर स्टूडेंट्स. So always learn from your mistakes and don't ever hesitate to make any decision. And life is not about waiting for the perfect decision. It's about taking a decision and making it perfect. Perfect की definition क्या होती है हमारे लिए? किसी के लिए perfect कुछ और होगा, किसी के लिए perfect कुछ और होगा. So what's perfect? There's nothing like perfect. So stop waiting for a perfect decision. आज मेरी तबीयत खराब हो गई इसलिए मैंने ये डिसीजन नहीं लिया, इसलिए मैंने आज ये काम नहीं किया. कल मुझे बुखार आ गया था, परसों I was with my family. क्यों? Why are you waiting for a perfect decision to come? Make your own decision and convert it into a perfect decision. So yeah, this was it for today. Thank you everyone. I, Hitesha Chaudhary, this is my email ID and my Instagram account. So this is how what's the power of decision making and how you can convert your life into a fully fledged, perfect, experienced life with your decisions. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. If anyone have any questions, ask to ma'am.
Hello, madam. Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
I have a point in decision making on a large scale, global scale. Kalpana
Okay,
Chawla. Kalpana Chawla could not come to the earth when the Columbia was there, but Sunita Williams came to the earth when Dragon capsule was there, and it took 17 hours to come to the land. So in second case, the Elon Musk has invested a lot, whereas in Kalpana Chawla case, Columbia case, America has invested. So there is a two decisions, and one is a successful decision, other is not successful.
Yes, sir, exactly the point. But as I said, ki you should not fear for your failures. It's okay that the Kalpana Chawla case and the other case, the both are totally different. I agree with you. But again, they took a decision. That's important. They created a history. And
Yeah.
yeah, that's the power of decision, that one got successful and other did not.
Yeah. That means they learned from the failure.
Exactly,
And,
sir.
and,
They
and,
learned.
and they decided to invest 17 hours in their life.
Yes, sir.
That was one of the point that she came safely to the land.
Exactly, sir. You had a very great point.
And another point is, in organizations, the top leaders, chairman, they are taking strategic decisions to make the organization successful. Their role is very important. And
Exactly, sir. अगर
yeah,
हम कोई स्कूल चला रहे हैं, for example, so it's very important to take a decision, because our decision can make or break the future of a lot of students studying there. So definitely a person who is the head of any organization, उनके लिए बहुत important decisions होता है.
yeah. You have said about certain models. I'm very happy that you have elaborated a lot of models.
Thank you so
And
much, sir.
yeah. I have done MBA, and a lot of decision models have been demonstrated in that
Okay, sir.
decision making models. So you have also given certain models. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you that you liked the session. And everyone, can I have a feedback in the chat box that how was the session? Did you like the session? And also, if anyone else who have some questions or maybe something to share?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. So I have a question. So actually, I want to say like thank you so much. It's a very great session, and
Thank you
you
so much,
explain
ma'am.
it so beautifully. So I have a question that you have mentioned that we have to take decision by ourselves.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
directly, you didn't say like you don't have to listen to your parents or family, but indirectly you said that you don't listen to the elders or elders. So how can you please elaborate like how can we
Okay,
take
ma'am.
decision by ourselves?
Ma'am, actually, I didn't say that don't listen to your elders or don't listen to your parents, just take your own decision. What I wanted to say is it's okay. Your parents will make some decisions for you, but it's you who have to figure out that whether that decision is good for you or not. Let's say, as I gave you an example, you are a student of class 10th. Now you have to select from the three streams, that is science, commerce, and arts, and your parents are telling you to take science because that's the safer option, because after taking maths you have a lot of options and you can select from that. But now you have your own choice. You want to become a doctor and you are like sure about it that you want to become a doctor. Now what will you do? As we learned, as I told you about SWOT analysis, sit in a room, write all the pros, cons, observations and threats about your decision and your parents' decision, or maybe some elders' decision, or just think about it and then take your decision. It's okay to take your parents decision also, but first think about it कि अगर हमें बायोलॉजी लेके डॉक्टर बनना है बट हमारे पेरेंट्स बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं आपको मैथ्स लेना है, तो देन फ्यूचर में विल रिग्रेट. सो इट्स बेटर टू सिट, analyze, and it's okay if you are also not clear ki what I want to do in future, then it's great that you go with your parents decision. So that's what I wanted to say, that it's okay to take your parents' decision, but it's better that you think about your decision first.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
I hope you got the answer, ma'am. Thank
I
you.
will definitely use the SWOT analysis one.
Okay, ma'am. Any other questions?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir.
Ma'am, it's me, Saurabha.
Oh, okay. Sorry, ma'am. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, ma'am. Not a problem. Actually, it is really a fantastic session because
Thank you so much, ma'am.
in life, taking a decision is challenging. So every day we will be taking different types of decisions. So it may be regarding personal or profession, whatever it is. So sometimes in life we have to take some dynamic decision, which is really makes a profit oriented for ourselves and for the society as well. So the direction whatever you have given, it's really good one, ma'am. So it's really fantastic, and we got like different information. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much,
Because
ma'am.
how we are making it essential, ma'am, because we have to take a best among the alternatives, that only we can say decision making, so which is very effective
Ma'am, you're not audible properly. I guess
for us,
it's
we
your
have
network
to
issue.
take that one.
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Ma'am,
You are not
am I
audible.
audible now, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Am I
can you
audible
please
now?
repeat?
So, like in life, we have to take a number of decisions, which is best for us and for the growth of the society. The decision making should not harm the society. It has to improve our society as well. So that is what the decision making is all about. It is typical but challenging, and we have to make it simple. That is what your session is. So it's really informative, and I'm glad. So we have taken, those who have attended this session, so that is the important decision we have taken literally,
Thank you so
because it
much,
will be
ma'am.
useful for upcoming life.
Definitely, ma'am. I hope
So
this
thank you so
helps
much,
you.
ma'am. Yeah, it not only helps me, those who have attended, like 40 members have attended. So I hope that 40 members will make utilize how to make a effective decision.
Definitely, ma'am.
So thank you so much, ma'am. This is what I wanted to convey. So that's it,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am, for attending the session. Thank you for taking the decision of attending the session. That means a lot for me and everyone. Thank you, everyone, for coming. Yes, any other questions or queries or anything? Okay, so Karishma, ma'am, I think we don't have any other questions coming now.
Okay, ma'am. Now, on behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to sincerely thank Ms. Hitesha Chaudhary, our outstanding speaker today. We had the chance to hear a fascinating and thought-provoking session about decision-making mastery. Today, through her remarkable ability to convey information, Ms. Chaudhary shared insightful discoveries and deeply motivational concepts. Her engaging presentation captivated us and inspired us to reflect on the significance of fleeting moments. We appreciate the time and effort she invested in delivering this enriching program. Thank you, Ms. Chaudhary.
Thank you,
Now,
ma'am.